So what happens like that? Go to the app and key. I got an umpino kodero, which is this one. O download the MT5, this one. Then you want to go to maybe an account. Let me get into this account. Yeah. Or should I get? I need to update this. Okay. Well, now the details, the codes. So now the instruments, the different instruments, a lot they trade. I want to price and change every time. Then there's the charts. When you do your analysis. Then there's the trade back. How trade will open the cheaper thing. Some of the same for trailing profits or losses. Then there is history here alone. You super so thing. Get the profit, you can get the loss. So mostly you are going to want to come to here to the charts, then analyze. So our market wow. So Hanimota Bailekwan, let me put in a line. You could have sold here. Nga woto we tesela hanlo no to predict lore etawa. Hola kana no said le gone ha line ke tsentseng ka bo le mo di profit e gompeng. Le ha before this fall kwano nka bo baile wa bona. Then o itse re to tswa go godimo kwano. Kone ke beile line teng pele. Wow. So you have to analyze, you have to have some sort of an analysis of what is the market going to do. Let me use a rotated view. You can do this. There are different analysis. What the suites or the analysis. I'm going to make a trend line here, and I'm going to make another one. So this is a basic simple analysis method. M1, each and every candlestick or super it's in a minute. What we call candlestick it's only doing nuts. So green. So red one or we look or higher cotas high wa a sell everything red. Maradi I paga my buy everything green. So jago the one candlestick action 1 minute. Go change the time frame get an M5 ya M5 go change get an M15 M30 you super action at 30 minutes yellow one is what says in 30 minutes how can take the time frame yellow one is super action hour now. Let's go back to the minute again let's so this trend in the parameter uptrend is a break I would sell because I anticipate our gain. I'll break this trend because I can't say pagamano e tshwantse re reverse ano gore te wele kwa e tshwantse go be dua go mitigate market gore ga switch language ya to switch le wena o khona go tsena mo dintse to go khona go le mo gore different analysis you can do that wa so a bontsana it's a good time to sell here anticipate re yo takwana gore tota gone me tshwantse gore ewe I'm expected to fall to this. I know this because I experience how I've been looking the market like in the research. I expect it to fall to this point. Then after that, it's going to come back to here. And that's what I'm going to anticipate. So for now, it's either getting hello kids or retire anticipate or so I e be pagama peta kwane be le gone ka boela kwane ta dira major fall ha go ntsalo ke a go emela I stock it ke te simula go emela nka nna ka setela di automatic order ke emela gore te khome line ya re khoma line ka itathela te ke selela go le gontsi e be ke ba stop loss maybe kwane gore ha e ka o phusa in case e sa tsamaya ka ke batla ha ta e be hetela go godimo kwano e be ema stop loss account time ska block gore be ntswala ono I lo take lose 10 ke lose 10 kana 100 whatever amount e take setile to go tswa mo re ke take tsene ka loss size di e be ke ta tsata maybe take profit kwa e be ke tswa mo gone wa bona take profit re la gore ha e ka re e khoma ha be ke tsena be ta e bua yana te re khona gore e tswale ka profit ya me mphelo take le $100 te re tswala be ke ithala $100 so that's a good analysis ke dirile gompene just a basic one a simple one next out or can too complex because ne ke bona ela re go ira gala ka bona go ela ha ntse itse ta bona re go mo it's what is called a bearish flag or something like that what the bearish flag because I wanna it's rise is down it's only doing this to most probably to fall. I'm not surprised to see this break break out of the channel. So after this break of the channel, I expect it to hike at somewhere in this candlestick. I want to candlestick a super rejection or again market no pushes up because it's a rejection. Already it right and I will pull up at the podium. I had to my channel up. Like a fall like wire. So that's a basic analysis, simple as before. So that's one of the things that can influence your options. Or do you buy or do you sell? So here get the codes different. Here I get V100. One of the heavy dogs, they are bets. One will crash. Let's move different, but basically the same way. I like to behavior rats on the step index. V75. Me, I would advise you around simula for practice mostly. Lot of simuls and some advise V75 finance. You just go to it. V75 finance. How say why add how I go plus you to all one of my nuts to the groups as on the kids who are honor add why press some one add different ones jump kids what add. Then you come to it Kia V75 finance why click at the word chat. I go chat we will chat time. We change time frame M1, M5, M man. Kitseo. How about we read line of analysis of the this thing and a rectangle and a little square le di circle to one di objects ke itse gona go nna le di square di rectangle ke tseo can do gape ke tseo gona le di line ke itse di trend line tse di gona gona different gona le di horizontal line ke tseo gona le gape gona le di equidistant channels ke tseo what the more you go deep into this the Fibonacci the Fibonacci you can always delete this object make sure why highlight the pele bentsha di aronyana di dotonyana tse le go delete le helalo why highlight I has also select the way hard press wa bona ke select le why hard press how hard press the bentsha gonyana wa delete le ne helalo why hard press wa delete. So that's basically it. That's basically what happens in Forex. Quickly here. So you need to download this app for phone and for PC, but mostly functionality in go PC. How to log in account to just go to this three lines more left thing or manage accounts or plus yo or Google or search your broker which is derivative. Then after derivative it's okay select how you select the data or login ID it gona login ID after bula account go your derivative tsenya password le tere how sensor how bula account eta go bontsha gore create a password then o tsenya server most likely wa go dirisa derivative demo because I go santse trade demo then the normal password out ya tere login then you start seeing that thing you start seeing this thing so now the trade back it this way trades it open hella super the codes here. Let me show you and let me quickly buy and sell. I'll use this account which is I think it's in $1 or $2 something like that. No, not that bad. Which one is it? Hey, there's the $2. Let me go to V75 finance. It's not a stronger one. This one I can get in got $1 after let me just make a quick analysis guy on it. I'm going to go to M5. It's like it's rising and it's I can quickly do this. I expected to go through this channel at some so I don't think I wanted to sell maybe somewhere M5, so I'm gonna sell this one based on that what I said. I'll take it, I got a plus this top right plus then I go to minimum lot size because I got another size minimum I take 0.05. I'm gonna sell Done. Ke y1 volatile center sell. Ke e setse go move. I'm gonna add another one sell. Ke tseo di pedi di 0.005 ke di sedile ke tse lines at ke tse di a tswa di one. Go sport ke sedile gone at the current price. I sold. Ke butse trade. So I can set the stop loss. I want to set the stop loss. I'm going to come here ke edita. Ke tsenya this thing line ya me ke eo. Ke highlight ke copy di coordinates line ya me. Ke batla line e nne ya my stop loss akere. Ke ta di ordering tsa me ka di edita ke mo penenyane ye. Ke puncha modify. The next one lo ne la ke ta mo penenyane in the second. Not the tick on the far left mo bukenyane le tick ha o tswala ha ke ha o edit o tsenya stop loss SL for stop loss then TP for take profit ke post elana paste then stop loss I make sales to see for sone ke le line at I wanna SL ke stop loss so le take profit ke ta ha ke I anticipate gore te khome channel respect because it's like a channel yang go di ke ba nka ka e baela ke highlight alone ke copy ya ke boela gape go tsone mo penenyane ye take profit ano paste modify mo PC go nna motho go se gona go drag functional tag re go di mo dirisa mouse ya la go drag or you can still do the same thing. There are many ways of doing this, operating this thing. Hence I like anticipate right there. Ke sedile ntsana ke start take profit ya me ke go tlase le stop loss go di because for sell like re o anticipate or market go take profit ya go nna go tlase mara stop loss ya go nna go di for sell but ha ne le for buy nka bo the opposite take profit nka ba go di because ne ra anticipate movement go di mo stop loss le go tlase for sure ya no ha ka ba go ra mo take profit ya me kana ya khoma trend line e go tlase ene ke highlight this one ene ke extender ha ka ba e khoma ya ta ha e khoma kana wa le bit take profit time since e khoma the expect or ire e go godimo ga pa bona te yo khoma kwane be bo e pagama ya go e go godimo so go nna ela nka ke tsama ke scalpel ke ja ela la tsena ha ka ba ya no e be ke emela data maar since this is a bullish it's a bearish flag because wa bona market no tswa ka no tsama uri ano ba ta go equalize this movement no tswa go tase ha o ka tsena bo somewhere o tshwantse gore bo break la go tase o break a trend o tsama so most probably go tsama ke scalp mela e tsena kwano ke te ke I'm looking for a sell a heavy sell nka nna ka ra e tsama bo somewhere mo channel e go godimo kana ke tsena thata ke tsore yo batla gore break out ya go tase la go tase kwa from there to here there are a lot of ways to do this like that. I need a channel. I need a what do I need? Let me input another object NR. Ke expect our market out there. Ke expect our market we rehelana. This is what I expect from this. Wa bona ke bile se mo go tsama my direction. Ke expect our we rehelana. Ke mo di profit ana ke tsene heavy link ka go ke le heavy profit ke expect our o tehelana. O tsama ela o respect trend e re ka nna ra tara check after metsotsonyana gore to go dira o kgomaga ga etsa kgomaga o bo one o betsa a heavy fall here e tankwa. This is what I expect to happen. This is what I expect to happen like that. So that's it. Wa bona re bile itse approaching my stop loss. Let's look at it go di profit gore tsa mamoka we go to trade bar wa bona re ke tsa mamo something like what this one is not lethal ha ile tse dingwe ke tsene kana ke go ke tselo size ka bo ke le in heavy profit so I'm expected to hit my take profit be ke tsama. This one is good for learning for training not necessarily ka se nne heavy ka nna heavy le ro ke tsa lot size ke go wa bona ke volume at 0.005 ke the minimum mara ne ke tsentse something like bo 0.1 nka bo bona go iragala mathata bona ya kana account e radilo. You can always do that. So you have to understand those things first, the dynamics of how or you place a market. So take profit is going to be hit. Here we approach, it's approaching, fast approaching. Border, let's go to M1. E khomile la be e boa. Ha go ntsana ke khona gore e kare e khona go boa gona le kana. let me not be greedy, let me close manually. I can close manually and leave one running. So I'm trading. This is real account, real money. I made $0.1. Okay, I'm anticipating or to take profit time. After I better take profit time, then I can decide or buy because but it's not safe to do that because so dangerous. Stop and break out all this but it's a good thing. The best way I want to analyze your high probability trade, which is here in this line. How you met a lie or wa wana re tswetse automatically next side tshwara e tswetse stop loss e se hitile. So ha e tsena go na le dio tse dingwe so tsenela deep, go na le dio tse di order block. So the order block is this one. That's why ke re ya go tsena. So there are a lot of dynamics to this thing. Order block okay, you'll get go send the material ka uthusa o ka go bontsha gore order block okay. So this would be our order block, or let's just take the whole of it, or can take the whole of this red candle. We expect our market to khuma one mara ska ba heta this rectangle nyane gray. Re expect our go khuma one ha go khuma one wa tota o fola ka line e ko tase. So that's it, my light.